In this example, you're going to learn how to show and hide controls based on a selection from a drop-down list. We'll use drop-down list as example control. So let's go ahead and create a new form definition. So let's call it show hide controls def. So what we're going to do is, let's say if we're going to drop a label, and in this case we'll also put a drop down list control, and I'm going to say select system or select a system for access, and we're going to say the systems we have is system A, system B, system C, and if we select a certain system, let's say select system B, then we want to show another control. Let's say, for example, we have, let's say another drop-down list control. And so let's say this control is called subsystem. And so let's call it subsys X, subsys Y, subsys Z. And by default, we're going to hide this control. We're not going to show this control. We're going to say hidden, and we're going to save that. Because we only want this control to be shown if the user selects system B. So we have to do one more thing. We're going to go back into this control, and you have this display conditions. We're going to go into the conditions, and we're going to say, in this case, our control is called select2. Actually, control field is actually the value. So in this case, we're going to put system B, and we're going to say we want to show the subsystem control, and we're going to save that. Once we have saved that, we can go ahead and do a preview of this form. So let's do a preview. And as you can see, we see select a system for access, and we don't have the subsystem. I'm going to go ahead and select C, and you can see we still don't see. I'm going to go ahead and select B, and now you can see the subsystem showed up. So this is another important feature when you're designing forms, where there might be dependent controls, where based on a selection you might want to show another section or another bunch of controls. Especially like in questionnaires, you might have the answer A, B, C, or other. Sometimes when you click on other, you get a text box to fill. So you can do scenarios like that. You can build in within Flow Forms also. Thank you.